Seed phrases are often confused with private keys. While they are related, they have some key differences. You're probably familiar with seed phrases, the 12 to 24 words you're asked to write down and store safely whenever you set up a new crypto wallet. But what are private keys? Whenever you create a crypto wallet, both a private key and a public key, which are linked to each other, are generated. A public key is a string of characters that can be used to receive crypto transactions. The wallet address that you use is basically a cryptographically shortened version of your public key. A common analogy is that it works like an email address, which allows others to send you messages, but not to access your email account. A private key, on the other hand, is also a complex string of characters and acts as the password to the public key. Private keys serve as the ultimate proof of ownership for the crypto funds within a wallet, and are what you use to authorize transactions. This is why it's crucial to keep it secure and never share it with anyone. Private keys don't have any built-in recovery mechanisms. If you lose your private key, there's generally no way to regain access to your funds. As private keys are cumbersome and impractical to manage on your own, this is why modern crypto wallets are designed to do it for you. You will typically never even see your private key when using it to sign day-to-day transactions. Additionally, your crypto wallet is also able to generate and store multiple public-private key pairs for privacy and security reasons. Now, here's where the seed phrase comes into play. Think of it as a master private key, which allows you to gain access to all the private keys in your wallet. In fact, a seed phrase is simply your master private key in human-readable format, consisting of 12, 18, or 24 words. The primary purpose of a seed phrase is to serve as a backup and recovery mechanism for your wallet and all its keys. Instead of expecting users to handle the cumbersome and technical master private key directly, the wallet provides them with a seed phrase. The seed phrase is more practical and secure to store, as it's easier to write down, less prone to errors, and more plausibly committed to memory if required. Now, if you ever lose access to your wallet due to hardware failure, loss of access credentials, or any other reason, you can use your seed phrase to recover your wallet and access your funds. You'll simply input the seed phrase into a compatible wallet application, and it will generate the corresponding private keys and public addresses associated with your wallet. So to wrap up, private keys are used to prove ownership of funds and authorize transactions, whereas seed phrases serve as a backup to your wallet in case you lose access to it. And most importantly, the key difference to remember is that while the private keys are typically managed by the wallet, the seed phrase is always managed by you. Now that you know the difference between private keys and seed phrases, ever wonder how a seed phrase is generated? Check out this video to find out.